Hello, my name is Don Osler. I am a member of Carolina Nature Coalition. During the summer months, the Carolina Nature Coalition goes on field trips to various environmental sites. Today we're visiting the Island Creek Forest Walk in the Croatan Forest. Normally we have a large group following us, but this being 2020, amid the COVID-19 pandemic, we're only going to have 3 hikers. We are going to be practicing social distancing guidelines and wearing face masks where necessary. The Island Creek area is located in the Croatan National Forest. There are several trails to choose from. There is a half-mile loop down to the creek and back. There is a 2-mile loop and a 3-mile hike. The 3 hikers today will be highlighting several significant features and characteristics of the creek area and the forest. We will be sharing those with you via video and photos. Before we go for a hike now, let's get some background on the Island Creek area, a very special area.
The Island Creek Forest Walk is located in the Croatan National Forest on the Island Creek Road in Pollocksville. From New Bern, take Bryce's Creek Road to the Jones County line and continue for 3 miles. The trailhead is on the right. From Pollocksville, the Island Creek Road is east off US 17 in the village. The trailhead is 5 miles on the left. The Island Creek area is ecologically significant. It contains coastal mixed forest, hardwoods and conifers, also a basic mesic or streamside habitat, lots of rare plants, a diversity of strong songbirds, and we will include some photos from the spring. It also contains the largest outcropping of marl in eastern North Carolina. Marl are fossilized shells and limestone. The marl geology creates an alkaline soil, which is unique for eastern North Carolina. Land conservation has been taking place in the Croatan Forest and Island Creek area. The Havelock US 70 bypass project will cut through the Croatan National Forest, resulting in a loss of forest habitat. The Sierra Club of North Carolina and other groups reached a settlement which provided funds to protect and connect other areas to the Croatan Forest in exchange. The North Carolina Coastal Land Trust is using those funds for land conservation throughout the Croatan Forest area. The Coastal Land Trust has acquired 247 acres adjacent to the Island Creek. This protected the viewshed along 2.4 miles on the other side of Island Creek. It also expanded the natural area and protected the area from the encroachment of development. Thank you to the North Carolina Sierra Club and the Coastal Land Trust. Now let's go for a hike on the trail.
Hi, I'm Carol Osler and I'm with the Carolina Nature Coalition, and we're here at the trailhead for the Island Creek Park Walk Forest. Beautiful here. Just a few tips on how to come and how to be prepared before you come so that you enjoy it more. First thing you want to do is eat a great breakfast. Eat something hearty that will sustain you. And then also get a good early start, come between 8 o'clock, no later than 9. Definitely want to cover yourself up with bug protection, and you definitely want to have water with you. Really important to get hydrated prior to coming and then hydrated on the trail. In addition, I have with me a sweat rag. And I'm cleaning my sweat rag off. And in my other pocket, I have this great little vial of extra bug protection. So then after that, starting from the neck, I love this nice loose scarf. It keeps the bugs away from my neck. Long sleeve shirt, nice loose pants that I can really move good in. I happen to be wearing some gaiters and some really great hiking shoes, something that's comfortable. So now you're covered, now you're protected. Pack out, folks, what you packed in. Please don't litter. Let's get going. Let's have a great day.
Michael Schachter, president of the Carolina Nature Coalition. The Carolina Nature Coalition is a group that was formed in New Bern, North Carolina, and our goal is to educate the population about environment and environmental justice, and also to engage people in meaningful community action.
Here is a great view of the marl that we were talking about. Fossilized seashells and limestone. And this is the geology which makes the soil alkaline and gives us some of the unique plants out there. And you can see the creek running right along the outcropping of marl. And this is one of the highlights of the Island Creek Forest Walk. What you can see behind me here, and you can see the red markers, beyond the creek here is the area that the Coastal Land Trust has preserved 294 acres. This is a good example of the mesic or streamside habitat here at the Island Creek. And right here, we have a longleaf pine. One of the very few longleaf pines that are left in eastern North Carolina. If they were harvested beyond sustainability, we focus in on the crown. You can see the very long needles, different than the loblolly. This is an example of the hardwoods in a coastal mixed forest. This is an American beech, and it's quite a tree, quite old.
thank you for joining the Carolina Nature Coalition in our virtual tour of Island Creek Park, and I hope you will join us again very soon. Bye-bye.